See, exercise 3.3. First one. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. See, first one is x square minus x minus 2x minus 8. See, find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficients. See, zeros of the polynomial means this is p of x, which is equals to x square minus 2x minus 8. P of x is equals to 0, therefore x square minus 2x minus 8 is also 0. 8 ones are 8, therefore x square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8 is equals to 0. Take x as a common, x minus 4 plus 2 as a common, x minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 4 into x plus 2 is equals to 0. X minus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to 4. X is equals to minus 2. Therefore, 4 comma minus 2 are the zeros of the given quadratic polynomial. I consider it as a alpha and this one it as a beta. Therefore, alpha plus beta is equals to 4 minus 2, which gives 2. Product of alpha into beta, 4 into minus 2, which gives minus 8. Verify these things with the coefficient. Coefficients. What is here? X square minus 2x minus 8. According to this polynomial, sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is minus b by a. Minus b here is minus of minus 2 by a is 1. Minus into minus plus 2. Here is also plus 2 now. Verified. Next, alpha into beta. C by a. C value minus 8. 1. Minus 8. Minus 8. Minus 8. This is also verified. Next one. See, second one. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. See, zeros of the polynomial. This is of the form 2s minus 1 whole square is equals to 0. 2s minus 1 is equals to 0. 2s is equals to 1. S is equals to 1 by 2. What is the degree here? 2. Therefore, 2 zeros we consider. One is 1 by 2. Other one is also 1 by 2. So, sum of zeros is alpha plus beta. 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 is equals to 2 by 2. Value is 1. Alpha into beta. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 2, 4. Which is equals to 1 by 4. According to this one, alpha plus beta minus b by a. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a. Minus of minus plus 4 by 1. 4 by 4. 1 is the verified. Next, alpha into beta, c by a. C value is 1, a value is 4, which gives 1 by 4. Next one. Third one. 6x square. 6x square. See, here is 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. What we are observing here means this is not in a proper way. That means 6x square minus 7x minus 3. Order of degree is 2 and order of degree is 1 and this is the constant term. This is a proper polynomial. Now, zeros of the polynomial means 3. 6 3 is 18. Therefore, 6x square 18 can be written as 9 2s are 9x plus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Here is 3x, take it as a common. 3x minus 3. Check 3 3 is 9. Sorry. 2x minus 3. 2 3 is 6x into x square. Right. Plus 1 into 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Now 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. 2x is equals to 3. X is equals to 3 by 2. X is equals to minus 1 by 3. See, this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta. 3 by 2 minus 1 by 3. LCM is 6. 3 3 are 9 minus 2. This is 7 by 6. Alpha into beta. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. 2 3 are 6. This is minus 1 by 2. Now check the coefficients. Alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Minus b means here is minus 7. Minus of minus plus 7. Plus 7 by a value is 6. 7 by 6. 7 by 6 verified. Alpha into beta. C by a. C value here minus 3. Minus 3. By a value is 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are minus 1 by 2. Here is minus 1 by 2. This is also verified. So here is take heading as a coefficients verification. Like this only you have to write. Here is also coefficients verification. Next one. See, 4u square plus 8u. Now, if from this polynomial, shall I take 4u as a common? Therefore, u plus 2 is equals to 0. 4u is equals to 0. U plus 2 is equals to 0. U is equals to 0. U is equals to minus 2. Now, this is alpha and this is beta. Alpha plus beta value gives the, what is alpha plus beta? Minus 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2. Alpha into beta is equals to 0. Verify this. Alpha plus beta minus b by a. Minus b minus minus 8. A value means which is minus 2 given. So minus 2 also given. Verified. Alpha into beta. C by a. What is constant term here? No constant term. 0 by 4. This is 0. Okay. Next, fifth one. T square minus 15 is equals to 0. T square is equals to plus 15. T is equals to root 15. But what is the degree here? 2. We are getting only one root. So 1 is 15. Other one is also 15. Root 15. Next. Fourth one. Coefficient verification, do it. 3x square minus x minus 4. See, is equals to 0. 4 3s are 12. So 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. Take x as a common here. 3x minus 4 plus 1 common here. 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. 3x minus 4 is equals to 0. X plus 1 is equals to 0. X is equals to minus 1. 3x is equals to plus 4. X is equals to 4 by 3. This is alpha and this is beta. Take alpha plus beta. 4 by 3 minus 1. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 by 3. This is 1 by 3. Alpha into beta. Product of these two things. Minus 4 by 3. Now coefficient verification. Minus b by a. Minus b means minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. B by a value is plus 1 by 3. Here is 1 by 3. Alpha into beta. C by a. C value is minus 4. A value is 3. Minus 4 by 3. Here is also minus 4 by 3. Coefficient verification also done. Next. Find the quadratic polynomial in each case with the given numbers as the sum and the product of its zeros respectively. See, the general form of the quadratic equation is x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equals to 0 is the general format of the quadratic equation having the sum and product of the zeros. Now, what he has given means, first one is alpha, the sum and product of the zeros are given below. That means alpha plus beta. Sum alpha plus beta, what is given? 1 by 4. Alpha into beta is equals to minus 1. So substitute in those values, x square minus x into 1 by 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. 4x square minus x minus 1 is equals to 0. Sorry. This is the polynomial. Polynomial in each case. Next. Second one. Root 2 comma 1 by 3. This is sum and this one is the product. This is alpha plus beta. This is alpha into beta. X square minus root 2 into x plus 1 by 3. This is the polynomial according to this formula. Third one. 0 comma root 5. X square minus x into 0 plus root 5 is equals to 0. X square plus root 5 is the polynomial. If we add 0 to the polynomial, this gives what? Quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation. No? Next, fourth one. 1 comma 1. X square minus x into 1 plus 1. X square minus x plus 1. Fifth one. Minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. X square minus x into minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. Okay. Now x square plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4, which gives 4x square plus x plus 1 by 4. Last one. 4 comma 1. 4 comma 1. X square minus x into 4 plus 1 is equals to 0. X square minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 0. And third one. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha and beta given me. Find the quadratic polynomial for the zeros alpha comma beta given in each case. Alpha is equals to what he has given? Alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to minus 1. So find the quadratic polynomial in each case for the zeros alpha and beta given below. Now x square minus x into alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta is equals to 0. X square minus x into alpha. What is alpha plus beta here? Alpha plus beta is equals to 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. Alpha into beta is equals to minus 2. Here is 1. 1 minus 2 is equals to 0. X square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Second one. Root 3 comma minus root 3. Alpha plus beta is equals to 0. Root 3 minus 3. Cancel no? Alpha into beta. Root 3 into minus root 3 minus 3. Now general format of the polynomial is x square minus x into alpha plus beta value is 0 plus alpha into beta value is minus 3. So x square minus 3 is the polynomial. Minus 3 is the polynomial. Third one. 1 by 4 comma minus 1. See what is alpha plus beta? 1 by 4 minus 1. 1 minus 4 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Alpha into beta minus 1 by 4. X square minus of minus plus 3 by 4 into x. Product is minus 1 by 4. So 4x square plus 3x minus 1 by 4 is the final polynomial. Fourth one. 1 by 2 comma 3 by 2. Now alpha plus beta is equals to 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. 4 by 2 is equals to 2. Alpha into beta 3 into 4. Now x square minus 2 into x plus 3 by 4 is the polynomial. Last one. Last one. Verify 1 minus 1 plus 3 are the zeros of the cubic polynomial p of x. Cubic polynomial p of x. X cube minus 3x square minus x plus 3. and check the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. See, this is one of the most important. See, in cubic polynomial, the general format of the cubic polynomial is ax cube plus ax cube bx square plus cx plus d is equals to 0. Now, alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the given cubic polynomial. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha plus beta plus gamma. Alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha. And alpha, beta, gamma. See, this is minus d by a. This is minus b by a. This is c by a. This is the standard formula for the cubic polynomial. If it is a cubic polynomial, the cubic polynomial, sum of cubic polynomial is equal alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b. Sum and product alpha plus beta, beta plus gamma, gamma plus gamma into alpha is equals to c by a. Alpha, beta, gamma is equals to minus d by a are the cubic polynomial formulas. Now, alpha, beta, gamma, these are the alpha, beta, gammas. So, remember these three formulas, these concepts. Now, check p of 1 is equals to 0 of the polynomial or not. So, 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 1 plus 3, which gives 1 minus 3 minus 1 plus 3. This one and this one, this one and this one getting cancelled 0. So 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. P of minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 minus of minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 plus 4 plus 4. See, minus 1. In place of x, we have to substitute minus 1. Minus 1 whole cube minus 3 into minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 plus 3. Minus 1 whole cube means minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 whole square means plus 1. Minus of minus plus 1 plus 3. See, minus 1 minus 3 plus 4. Minus 4 plus 4. Value gives 0. So, minus 1 is also a zeros of the given polynomial. Next. Plus 4. Okay? This is wrong and this one is the correct one. P of minus 1. Next one. P of 3. Checking only. P of 3. 3 whole cube. 3 into 3 whole square. 3 plus 3. 3 whole cube means 27. 3 into 9 minus 3 plus 3. See, 27 minus 27 plus 3 minus 3. Plus 3 minus 3 getting cancelled, plus 27 minus 27 getting cancelled, which is also 0. So 3 is also a root of the given polynomial. Now, verify that the zeros of the cubic polynomial, zeros of the given polynomial, and check the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Now checking of the zeros and coefficients of the given polynomial. What is alpha here? 1. Beta is minus 1. Gamma is 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 1 minus 1 plus 3. Right? 1 minus 3. Alpha into beta, beta into gamma, gamma into alpha means what is alpha? 1 minus 1 plus what is beta? Minus 1. What is gamma? 3 plus what is gamma alpha? 3 into 1 minus 1 minus 3 plus 3. Both are getting cancelled. Answer is minus 1. Remember these things. Next, alpha, beta and gamma. See, 1 minus 1, 3. This is 3. Now check. From this checking. See, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. What is a here? 1. What is b here? Minus 3. What is c here? Minus 1. What is d here? 3. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to minus b by a. Minus b means this one. Minus of minus 3 by a, this one. Plus 3. Plus 3. Plus 3. Right? Next. Alpha into beta. Beta.